Morning, guys. So it's the start of day 2. It's much clearer out. The wind has calmed down. Everything is seeming pretty good for some swim bait and jerkbait weather. So we've got our combos: Tranex, Bantam, SLX, and BL partied. The rest of our combos are just over there. But yeah, I'm hoping maybe we can catch some good fish on the jerkbait this morning, and then maybe later on in the afternoon to evening catch some swimbait fish. Yeah, I'm gonna get to work and I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Okay, we're rolling. Let's cast the jerkbait out here first. It's all messed up. There we go. We got one. It appeared out of nowhere, wasn't ready. Oh well, it was a small pike anyways. Yeah, maybe about that big, just literally appeared out of literally nowhere. I'll count that as a fish. It came there and I saw its whole body. So, it was the first fish of the day. It's a little pike. That's honestly super funny. Alright, doesn't seem like it's coming back, so I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we're back. Just wanted to grab some coffee. And look, we might even get a little show. It's the guy who drives his boat at like 130. Damn. Just in time. Alright guys, so we've made a trek to the next spot, and I also hear our boat friend over there. He's on his way back, so he might punch it down through here again if we're lucky. But I can't decide on what to use first. Maybe throw a jackhammer. Normally a jackhammer does good in this spot, so we'll throw this. Whoa, what's going on here? What's wrong with my chatterbait? Why is it not buzzing? God, first bird's nest of the trip. Dang, nabbit. The Corrado DC is just not a low speed baitcaster. Unless you have it set properly, yeah. But I didn't have it set properly. I had it set to like fast casts, like that. But it wants to really do it to itself when it's on a slow speed cast. Honestly, the Corrado DC is probably one of the harder ones to tune in. Everybody thinks a Corrado DC is gonna work perfectly, never get bird's nests, but it takes quite a bit to actually tune it into perfection. I mean, I've been using this Corrado DC for years now, so I know exactly how. But a lot of people haven't, like new buyers. Although I would highly recommend this as a first fishing reel. This was my first fishing reel, and is by far my favorite. It's the smoothest casting, gets the most distance. Everything about it is just lovely other than the price. It's here where I am, you can't find these for nothing short of $500. And then this rod was like 300-ish. And then the handles was actually two separate different handles. This was a carbon fiber custom handle, I just got bit. And this was another handle. OEM, this carbon fiber one had wood handles. And I got the colored ones from a different handle, so it's like $200 worth of handles. In Canadian dollars, at least. Yeah, I think we'll put a pause on our camera for now. We'll be back to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we're back with the Cardiff 200A. Tried the Senko, tried the jerkbait again. Still no take on it. So maybe we'll run around a swim bait. Because hey, you never know. It's not a big swim bait either, so it shouldn't be a big problem. Just trying to land it lightly, not friggin' bomb it. Just scare everything under there. Okay, I think we'll do the rest of the fishing off cam for now. We just missed a fish again. That's hilarious. We'll do that again. Just pulling it through these rocks. I think maybe a pike jumped out. Unless I literally did hit a rock, but it didn't feel like a rock because it pulled back. So I don't believe it to be a rock. Yeah, there's a little fish right there. He's like tiny though. That's like a tiny smallmouth. Like, I don't even think it can bite the hook. And we just sent that right through a tree. At least it didn't get stuck. It's not all bad. Yeah, I think we'll move back down the bank a bit. See if we can get anything down there. So after this cast, we'll do that. So I've fished this area pretty good. So I'll be back with you guys. Alright y'all, so we made it to the next spot. Gonna knock the camera down a little bit. There we go. And I'm just gonna cast around a bit. phase of it. Nothing. Alright. Well, we'll fish off camera for a little bit. I'll be back with you guys in a little while. Alright guys, so we fished this whole bank. Absolutely nothing on the jerkbait. I don't know if the bite's just off because the cold temperatures, or maybe there's just nothing there. I don't know. But we're gonna go to the pads over there in the back bay, right over there, and just see if I can throw a Senko around for a few minutes. There might be a bass or two in there, you never know. But we're gonna grab this stuff and get moving, so I'll be back with you guys in a few. Alright guys, so we're in a newer spot. Let's see if we can pull anything off. Never know. It's getting warmer. Also, I might have to take my sweater off. What the hell was that? Alright, I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Let me resend that. How did I hit? I think he got a weed or something. Oh no. It is a little fish. Huh. Check that out. Dude. You're not escaping the hook. Oh, stupid fish. Little smallmouth. The little guy. Got him right in the face. But yeah, we'll get him back. Now he was angry. Huh, I didn't even think that was a fish. That's funny. Well, let's do it again. Hey guys, so we're back at the main spot. Just had to go help do some stuff, and it's probably about an hour later. And we're just gonna fish our mag draft for a bit. I should oil this reel as well. But we're gonna do this video in two parts. So like the first half will be till about lunch, and then the second half will be everything afterwards. So thought I felt something. I guess not. But yeah, we'll fish this for a few minutes. And then go back to the jerkbait as usual. Because I always end up back at the jerkbait. Like even no matter how hard I try something else, I always end up going back to the jerkbait because this is simply the best lure. Kind of hoping to catch a fish on it. Would be pretty cool. I think after this cast, we'll turn off the camera and just fish off camera for a bit. I'll be back with you guys in a little while. I'm just gonna fish off camera. He came off, but we did get one. We'll count that. It was a little smallmouth. That was funny. He hooked up down here on the chain. He's just a little guy. Maybe we'll just keep it on while we jerkbait fish. I thought it was just on a cast. I was just about to pull it out. And it appeared out of nowhere. See, it's much better when they hit it out there. Yeah, maybe we'll keep the camera rolling and just do maybe like 5-minute segments so that I can keep them into like one slightly neat video versus one really long one that I have to sort through. So yeah, maybe we'll start a new clip. Hey all, so we're rolling off the island on the boat with Dad. And we're gonna go fish the back bay. So I'll be back with you guys in a few. Here we go. And it's raining. Awesome. We're kind of protected here though, which is good. And I can't feel anything through my sweater. I hate rain.
Alright, I would like to get a jacket. And a screwdriver.
Even though the fact this is literally gonna last like 5 minutes.
Well, I'm just gonna go get a fish break.
Give me a sec. Okay, we'll be back. Yeah, we're back at you with round 2. Hopefully it doesn't do it again. It probably won't. Yeah, this does. We got one. Oh, it's a good one. Get right up beside me. Yeah, it is a good one. It's a really good one. Oh. Holy Batman. Look at that. Holy.
That's a big fish, dude. You want your gloves?
And that's on camera too.
You want your gloves?
That's on camera. Oh God, I'm gonna rewatch this so many times. Oh, wow. No, I have no gloves, but we're not gonna need gloves. We're not gonna need it. There's one hook. Give me my bag. I need my pliers. Oh God. And camera's got this. Oh, awesome. That's great. Hey, buddy. How are you?
Holy cow.
Just don't shake and you'll be able to live. If you shake, we're both getting hit by hooks and you're probably gonna die. I'll turn you into chicken strips. Because I know you guys taste just like chicken. Dude. Let's get a picture.
Get him in.
There you go, GoPro.
Good.
Let's get him back. Dude, you just put me in. There you go. No. Should have waited.
Oh well.
I think it bit me.
It was big.
Whew.
It's the biggest one this summer.
Give that a pause. You're quite healthy. Rabbit pike. Rabbit pike. Rabbit pike. Get him down. Good little guy. Let's get him back. See you, buddy. Come on. Yeah. Good release. Alright, you scallywags. We are going up the rock to end off the day. We will be fishing in the sunset, which is pretty cool. End of the day, I won't lie. But yeah, we're gonna work our way down there. I'll be back with you guys in a few. Alright, boys and girls, so we probably got about 15 minutes before the bugs get really bad. I'm already feeling them, but we're gonna toughen up and deal with some mosquito bites, even though they come by the hundreds, in hopes of catching one more fish. Yeah, gorgeous evening. Good way to end off the day. Some neighbors. Always gotta wave, because your neighbor's your best friend up here. Most of my family's known them for a long time. Oops. I barely even need to thumb this Tranex. That's how good it is. I know the bait's big and it doesn't have much of a hard time doing it, but I barely even need to thumb it. And there's the moon. sister moon and father sun. Both out. Oh, God, I have to really bomb this thing out there. But yeah, I think I could keep the camera honestly pointed upwards. You guys can see a good bit of the Trenex. We're getting bit on the leg. Also, we got to be wary of bats, Becerra bats, and they do bite. So we got to be careful. That does not feel nice. But yeah, swim baits kind of die off at 9-ish, and it's, whoa, that's flying at me. It's probably about, I don't know, 9:30. So I think we'll go back and film our outro and then call it a day. See you guys in a few. Hey GoPro. So it's nearing the end of the day, so we're gonna film our outro now that we still have light. So yeah, as you guys have seen, I broke my personal best pike today. Just about 10 pounds, I think. Felt like 11, so, but we're gonna call it 10 because whatever. Anyways, yeah, we caught a bunch of fish, lost a couple too, but that's okay. Yeah, it's been a good day. I mean, it rained for a bit, but that's okay. But yeah, if you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, support the channel. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers, which is insane because I only started like a month ago. Like 1,000 subscribers in a month is insane. I think we're at 798 or 99 as of this evening. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe. I will see you all in the next one.